ready to unlock the power of seamless collaboration and boost your coding efficiency. First, ensure Git is installed and VS Code recognizes it. You can confirm this by checking the source control panel in VS Code. This panel serves as your central hub for Git commands. Click the Initialize Repository button to start a new project. Now, let's connect to GitHub. Go to VS Code Settings and search for GitHub Authentication. Then sign in using your GitHub account. Make some changes to your code and save the file. In the source control panel, you'll see the changes listed. Stage the changes you want to commit. Write a descriptive commit message explaining your changes, then click Commit to push these changes to your GitHub repository. Click the Sync button. Enhance your workflow further by installing the GitHub Pull Requests and Issues extension. This allows you to create and review pull requests directly within VS Code. Browse existing pull requests, view the changes, leave comments, and even approve and merge them, all without leaving your eye. The Issues tab lets you track and manage GitHub issues associated with your repository. Open issues, assign them to team members, and update their status as you work on them. By integrating GitHub into VS Code, you create a streamlined and efficient workflow that enhances collaboration and boosts your productivity. Now, you're equipped to take your coding workflow to the next level.